guys, Keith here back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're going to be looking at our 1970 Chevelle and El Camino Fender extensions by Resto Parts, original parts groups, in-house brand. If your original Fender extensions are rusted or rotted out, replace them with an identical reproduction from OPGI. Each Fender extension is stamped from 20 gauge steel and features the correct mounting holes, including the tabs to mount the headlight retaining rings. In addition, every part is finished with an electro deposit primer, also known as an EDP coating. EDP coatings help protect against rust and corrosion to allow ample time to prep and paint your extension without having to worry about potential rust. Fender extensions were one of many products we used to restore our 1970 Chevelle, which debuted at the SEMA show back in 2016. Drawing lots of attention, it was a favorite among enthusiasts. Many years later, and it still looks brand new. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to follow us for more updates and product features. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com.
Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.